Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most transformative years for the Linux desktop we've seen in a long time. The conversation is no longer just about being a free alternative to Windows or macOS. It's about innovation, performance, and a user experience that is leapfrog the competition. With the final sunset of Windows 10 support, millions of users are looking for a new home, and the Linux community is ready with seriously impressive new technology. We're seeing desktop market share hit over 4%. Linux gaming on Steam is becoming mainstream. We're seeing a fundamental shift with atomic systems and desktop environments like Cosmic written from the ground up in Rust. First, let's talk about Cosmic, the new desktop environment from System 76. This isn't just a reskinned GNOME, it's a full-fledged independent desktop built in Rust. It's a Wayland-native compositor built for the modern display stack. The application launcher and panels are built with a focus on workflow for creators and developers. Features like integrated tiling bring a level of memory safety and performance that's genuinely impressive. Cosmic is on track to define 2026, but the established players aren't standing still. GNOME 49, codenamed Brescia, brings modern GTK4 versions of Showtime and Papers for a more polished experience. Then we have KDE Plasma 6.5. It solidified its position as the most feature-rich desktop out there, with seamless Wayland transition and HDR support. Its support for variable refresh rate is second to none. Plasma 6.5 remains the king of customizability and power user features in 2026. Now for the distros, AerynOS is a name you'll hear a lot. It's an atomic distribution, ensuring system updates never break your experience. It combines a modern atomic foundation with a beautiful vanilla KDE Plasma desktop. It's a perfect match for users who want cutting-edge reliability. And Pop! OS from System 76 is the flagship for Cosmic. With its focus on creative and professional users, it represents the future of the Linux desktop. For new users, Big Linux makes the leap easy. Based on Manjaro, it's gorgeous and includes a big driver manager and pre-configured web apps. It makes Linux feel instantly familiar with services like Netflix and Discord ready out of the box. It's accessible to anyone, regardless of skill. For those moving from Windows 10, AerynOS replicates that experience perfectly with a start menu and taskbar. It's a brilliant landing pad. And Bez GNU Linux gives a new lease on life to ancient hardware with as little as 2 GB of RAM. It's a noble mission to keep old computers out of landfills. In 2026, gaming is a Linux strength. Thanks to Valve's investment in Proton and SteamOS, the Steam Deck has been a total game changer. Specialized distros like Bazzite offer a Steam OS-like experience for any PC. It's an immutable distro that comes with all the optimizations you need. General-purpose distros are now fantastic gaming platforms too. With HDR and VRR standard, the visual experience can surpass Windows. The library of compatible games is massive via ProtonDB. Linux is no longer just for hobbyists, it's a mature platform for everyone. It's an incredibly exciting time to be a Linux user. The community is vibrant, and the future has never looked brighter. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.